Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a wall shelf. I just want to take some time out to give my loyal subscribers a shout out. Also, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. These are my tools. I'll make sure I take out everything because usually sometimes sections of this wall are very tough. So I have a twin part there, and then I have this big drill here, and then this is a shelf that I'm going to install, and that's my toolbox. Yes, that's my toolbox. It has all sorts inside there. So what I'm going to do next is just to make some marks on the wall where I'm going to put the shelf. So we'll do that next. I'm going to line up this shelf under this mirror. The mirror is 900 centimeters and the shelf is 120 centimeters. So basically I want the shelf to be 15 centimeters either side of the mirror, and I also want the mirror to be nice, flat and level. I have this level which I've inherited. So usually what I would have done if I'm installing a shelf is to draw like a straight line, nice level straight line across, but this shelf come with some pre-drill holes and they're quite tiny, so I might have a problem seeing through the holes to make the mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the level and just put it here, get it nice and level on the shelf itself. Oh. Get it nice and level on the shelf. The wall is very flat, so once it's level, just like that, what I'm going to do now is just going to use my pen and make a little mark in all the three holes. So that's one, this is the second one, that's two. I have to make sure that this doesn't shift. That's three. Oh, the pen got stuck in the hole. Right, so I'm confident that the mark is made on the wall now. So one of the marks for one of the holes, and now that I've made the mark, I'm gonna drill the holes now. I'm using this DSLR drill because usually this wall is very tough. I'm using a 6mm drill bit because I have some 6mm plugs. I never use the plugs that comes with the shelf because to me they're not that good. So I'm just gonna drill the hole now. You can see how easy that is with this drill, very powerful. So this is all done. All I'm going to do now is fit the plugs in and install the shelf. It's that simple. Drill the holes, I've put the plugs in. I'm going to just screw the shelf now to the wall. So I'm going to put the screws in. Right, so there you have it, nice and level, just how I want it. Actually, it's my wife who asked me to do this job. Happy with it, looks nice and neat to me. And like I said, this took me what, few minutes to be done. The longest time doing this job is make sure that the wall, putting this on the wall and put the level, make sure that it's nice and level, and then making the mark. But apart from that, this was a nice and easy job to do. I'm not a trade person. I just like to do stuff at home, you know. If you're somebody like me, it might seem daunting at the start, but these jobs are quite simple. What I would say, if you want to do stuff yourself, invest in a couple tools, maybe a twin pack of drills. Thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.